when we understanding the holographic nature of the Qi field, the simple explanation, very, simple, but it's very important, is the Qi, all the healing information, healing energy information, cultivate over the times, collectively, cumulatively. The energy, on one hand, is non-local, but on the other hand, is local. So for local means, something happened in China that contributed to the awakening of that Qi field. Continued development of that Qi field. Become an energetic blessing, energetic foundation for all of us. So from the local, now we bilocated, not just in this kiva. From once you understand in the non-local presence, your mind, your heart, your concentration, able to activate in the particular time, space, become local. So from non-local, you activate locally. And from local, you deepening the practice, strengthening the Qi field. And they're contributing to the non-local presence of the Qi field. So again, the local and non-local together is completing the magic. And for whatever incredible reason, now we can complete this vision only in this time of humanity. And was more difficult to do in the ancient time. Even more difficult to do at the time of Dr. Pan was active. And in that sense, truly, we're taking one step further. So by manifesting the center, we continue in the vision what Dr. Pan realized in China. But at the same time, we're expanding the vision slow, the online program. Global Qi field, directly. Now make it not only possible, but very tangible, very tangible.